Unit 6, cooking and baking. I'm going to give you more time so that you can finish page 49, and then we can do it together. Do you guys cook? Do you know how to cook? Do you cook?
Oh, ramen.
Okay, what else can you guys cook? Ramen.
Fast food.
Fast food, what's fast food?
Kimbap.
Kimbap, okay. What else do you guys cook?
국밥이 뭐야? 국밥이요. 국밥이 뭐야? 믹스 라이스.
Mixed rice.
국밥 아니었어?
Okay. Now, when you are writing a recipe, you should give a list of ingredients and equipment first, and then write the order of how to make the dish. Don't forget to include the details such as cooking time and ingredients amount. What are ingredients?
It makes to need item.
Good. It's the material or the items that you need to make your dish. Alright. Now let's answer the questions in complete sentences on page 48. What ingredients do you need to make a cupcake?
Measuring cup.
We need a measuring cup, but now we are talking about the actual ingredients, not the equipment. Remember, we have ingredients and we have equipment. So let's start with the items first that we need to make the dish, not the equipment. How can we make cupcake? Just 3 ingredients. Sugar,
Mix. Cake mix.
a cake mix, flour,
Milk.
milk. Good. Some people use eggs as well. Number 2, when baking, what is usually the last step? What is usually the last step? Number 2.
Mix together.
Mix together. No, not mix. It says dash dash it in the oven. Good. We put it in the oven so that it can bake. Right. Now let's go to page 49. Complete the chat. Change the verbs if you have to. Let's start with A number 1. We can say together.
Receipt.
It's a recipe. And number 2,
Ingredient.
ingredients. Ingredients. Number 3,
Measuring cup.
1 cup. Good. 1 cup. And number 4, measuring cup. Measuring cup. Number 5, cut. Number 6,
A tablespoon.
a tablespoon of. A tablespoon of. Number 7, a pinch of. Remember we said a pinch. You are using your thumb and your index finger to pinch. Okay, and number 8, mix together. Good job, mix together. You must have a marking pen so that you can mark yourself. Now let's go to B. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrases. Change the verbs if you have to. Then rewrite each sentence next to the picture it matches. So we need to play matching game. Let's start with 1 to 4. Let's start with 1 to 4. What's the phrase for B number 1? Heat up. And number 2? A what? A drop off. A drop off. And number 3? Pour. Number 4? A dash off. We said after pinching, then there's a dash. Okay? Let's go to match now. B number 1 matches with
B number 1.
Yes. Remember we have 1 and then we have A. Matches. Okay, but let's write them down. Let's write them down. Good. Pour the milk into the bowl. Pour the milk. How about B? Add a dash of salt to the recipe for taste. How about C? No. The recipe asks for a drop of olive oil. And last one, heat up the mix in the oven. Good job. Now let's go to page 50. We have a chocolate cupcake recipe. Read it and answer the questions. Read and answer the questions. Reading page 50. Answer the questions in complete sentences. What is the first thing the reader should do? The reader should heat up the oven to how many degrees? To 175 degrees. Good job. And number 2, what should the reader add the eggs to? What are we adding the eggs to?
Add the eggs to the butter and milk.
Good. The reader should add the eggs to the butter and milk mixture. How about number 3? How long should the reader bake the cupcakes?
About 20 minutes.
The reader should bake for about 20 minutes. Then bake for about 20 minutes. Okay, so don't forget to mark yourself. Mark yourself. Then let's do page 51. Follow the directions and rewrite the sentences from page 50. Yes. Page 51. Number 1. Marcher. Number 2. Okay. Matcha, brown. How about number 2? Several large glass bowls. And a large baking pan. Number 3, let's go according to the line. Number 3, yes. Good. And number 4 at the back.
In a glass bowl, mix the dry ingredients such as baking powder, sugar, flour, and matcha powder together.
Good job. Number 5.
In another bowl, mix the wet ingredients such as butter and milk.
The wet ingredients? the wet ingredients like butter and milk. Like butter and milk. How about number 6? One at a time. Number 7, Kunje.
Afterwards, combine the wet and dry ingredients.
Well done. Number 8.
Mix well until everything is completely combined.
Good. Number 9.
Then use a spoon to put the mix into the baking tray.
Good. Feel. Sobin. Feel until it is.
Now it is about half full.
Good. Number 10.
Finally, put the pan in the oven for about 20 minutes.
Good. Number 11.
Take the cooking sound and cook it for 15 minutes.
Good. Last one. Number 12. Or matcha powder. Now let's go to page 52. Counters and uncountable nouns. We have to find the mistakes in these sentences and rewrite them. When we measure uncountable nouns, we have to use counters. Our counters can be a cup of, a drop of, a spoonful of. In front of them. Counters can be made into plural forms, but counters under 1 cannot be plural. For example, half, 1 1/2, 1 4/4, 3 sticks. Okay? So we need to know when to use singular and plural. If it's a half, then we cannot use a plural because it's not many, it's just a half. So we cannot add s. Okay? Now let's look at A. Find the mistakes they made and correct them. There are mistakes in these counters. Yes, there's a mistake in these counters. Remember, if a counter is less than 1, like 1/2, which is a half, or 3/4, then that is wrong. Page 52, counters and uncountable nouns. Find the errors in the sentences and rewrite them. We have our counters, a cup of, a drop of, a spoonful of. Counters under 1 cannot have a plural. So if a counter is less than 1, like a half, don't add s. Let's look at A. Number 2. Pour 3 drops of olive oils into the pan. Can you guys tell me the mistake in this sentence? So it's drops of olive oil. Delete s. So pour 3 drops of olive oil into the pan. Good job. And number 3, mix 2 teaspoons of sugar with half cups of coffee.
Oh.
Hmm?
Mix 2 teaspoons of sugar with 1 part, was half a cup of coffee.
So what am I deleting?
Delete the S.
So this is a half, it's not 1, so no plural. So we have to delete s. What else? Is that the only mistake?
No.
What's the other mistake? Yes? Mix 2 teaspoons of sugar with half cup of coffee. How about number 4? Add 2 tablespoons of butters to milk.
Add 2 tablespoons
Okay, so what am I deleting?
delete butter.
We delete S. Good. It's supposed to be add 2 tablespoons